Let's do a bit of work on our project. We just invented a new project. Open workspace from file, in sync, and we've called it ArcoLinux App. So last time I opened this, we were thinking about adding sliders, but thinking is one thing and actually working things is another. So we've got this as a last look. Now I need to figure out, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and that's 5, I think. So VBox. Oh, my brain. The poor thing. What shall we do with Drunken Sailor? HBox 2 is here. HBox 2. Control find. HBox 2. HBox 2 is the button. Cancel button. Okay. They're not there. What? Button cancel. Okay. That's the close in the safe. Okay, close in the safe. So good, yeah. And why is HBox 2 there? Why is HBox 2 there? VBox start. That's at the bottom. At the moment I don't need this. This makes it more complex. Voila. So HBox 4 is the logo. And we have I have to revisit this code later, but let's try something out. Let's take an HBox, an horizontal box, and inside the horizontal box, inside the horizontal box, inside the horizontal box, we put the scrolled window in there. True, true, with 0. Save. That's the VBox. What errors do we get now? Yep. Object not callable, GUI line 95. 95, that's this thing. hbox is that. It's not callable, he says. Can't do what I want to do. What I actually want to do is do a pack starter. And now should have done this in XFCE rather than in CHDWM, because I'm testing sliders. So we got a horizontal box and we've got a V box. That's a vertical box, and in the vertical box we put horizontal boxes. We can always copy paste. All right, 3, 4, and we add this. Okay, that's the logo. The logo goes inside box 4. Why do we put the thing in logo in box 4? Why don't we call this box 1 or something? Or just hashbox logo, maybe. That's a better idea. Stop numbering, so we can get to grips with everything, or this is 4. Now it's down there. Hbox 1, that's the logo. This is Hbox 1, horizontal box 1. This is horizontal box 2. The buttons, horizontal box 2. I have again to think, what did we do, right? How was it built to get? There's a message. There's a yellow thing here. For now, that's 3. And then we get the rest. So where's Hbox 4 is at the top then. So, if I want it to become this one, it has to become 1, which makes more sense. At the top, a logo. Hbox 1, that means that, oh god, I'm gonna mess this up. So this is Hbox 1, this is Hbox 2, is it? It is. There's a message. Okay, in my mind, Hbox 1 is gonna be the logo, the one-liner. Then I'll do some stuff, which is Hbox 2 then. Hbox 2. I'll do my stuff. Then this, we stop using the 3 and call it exit maybe. We can do that. or what I sometimes do is give it 998. Let's see. Right, that's normally the end, exit, so 99. Then I go up here, I'm gonna say that this is 99. I can have a lot of boxes in between. So one, that's a starter. We can actually call this logo as well. Maybe makes more sense. Logo. And then we can have here number 1, number 2, and so on. Then we can call this exit as well, right? Button, close, and so on, of just buttons. You always need buttons. Okay. So that means that HBox 3 does not exist anymore. So we're gonna give this guy a logo, HBox logo, or an underscore, but then do it everywhere. And then this one is 1, that one is 2, and then the buttons, underscore buttons. So I got one big HBox, and inside that horizontal box we have a vertical box, and in there, in the virtual box, we have HBox logo 1 and 2 and the buttons. Okay, then we call this the logo, HBox logo. And then we have HBox 1 and HBox 1. Then later we'll have the buttons, HBox buttons, and HBox buttons, like so. At the end, and this one we have as number 2, I think. Save. And now the order is more logical, I hope. So this is gonna be our logo. And then we get 1, then we get 2, and then we got the buttons. Buttons. In the beginning, buttons, scrolled windows. We've added that. We've put the VBox in there, and then HBox scrolled window true. Wow. Will this fail? All right, it's there where I want it to be, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 sizes. There is something I should do here, box pack thing that I did wrong. Get parent assertion. I recognize the mistake, but what was it again? Attempting to add a widget with type GTK box to a container of type GTK scroll, but the widget is already inside a container of type and so on. Please remove the widget from it first. So too much. VBox start. We have already some things here, and we've already some things there. So they're telling me, Eric, you're overdoing it. I think. Edit, toggle lines, save. Nope. Well, yes and no. We have this, of course. Then maybe we should better put here then. Save. That's looking better. Okay. Close. Still an error. So let's do a clear and run and exit. Attempting to add the widget, type in same thing. So there's still something in here. Please remove the widget from its existing container first. It's about the GTCalls window and GTK box. Back start, is that not it? Now the edge box 2, don't want to see this anymore. So the message is gone. Right, the yellow thing is gone. That does not resolve, of course, what I've done. That's the bit. That's the bit where we do this. Here, I feel the feeling I have to look in here, but let's first see that everything up there is okay. A little bit of alignment. So let's do this. Find. No, not a good idea. Let's do this. 12 of them. Nope. So that stays in, that's clear. And still, I think it's in here. Come on, brains, think. When I do this, I get a blanco. I get a blanco. Why do I get a blanco? There are no errors. That's something. But I say scrolled window. Add VBox. And the edge box start. Scrolled window true. And edge box, no, not A. We have an H box, we have a V box. We have a horizontal box, and inside that horizontal box is a virtual box. And in that virtual box, we put all these 4 inside the virtual box. Inside the virtual box, we add these 4 guys. Hbox. Right? No. That's nice. Okay, can't stop it. That was not a fluke. No, was not. So that was not the reasoning. I was doing okay with this. Come on, think. Save. Well, that looks nice, but GTK warning: attempting to add a widget with type GTK box to a container of type GTK stroll window, but the widget is already inside container of type main. Please remove the widget from the existing container first. Main. We have main here. Read again. Type main at the top. That's your main. It has to do with the self thing. Add vbox. No, not seeing it. It says you want to add this and it's already added. So it's this line. It's that line. But do I have now sliders? Add vbox. I need to go to XFCE to solve this. Anyway. Okay. Next step, stop the video, log out, log in, XFCE.